Hello everyone. I'm making this video to help people who are just looking to take that $10,000 grant and are not very interested in the other loans so that they could at least go and rush to the computer and get this done because time is running out and money's running out actually. So if you go to sba.gov, click on Learn More in red, it will take you to this overview. Scroll down to coronavirus funding options, and you can click up here or click down here to learn more about the relief options available for your business. It'll open up a page with the comparison of the loans that are out there. Again, I do recommend using a professional, but if you're certain you don't want the Paycheck Protection Program, which is the 2.5 times monthly payroll, $10,000 advance is a form of a loan of the EIDL. It will be forgiven as of now. That's what they're saying. That's what everyone's excited about. Then we have the express bridge loans and the debt relief. Those are less popular options, but definitely needed options. Now, if you click on EIDL loan advance, you'll scroll down, and they're saying they're going to give you up to $10,000 of relief, and you do not have to repay it. So technically, that loan would be considered a grant. Here's the eligibility requirements. Most business owners are eligible. Again, funding is running out if it didn't already, but this is where you go for information on this loan. And then to apply on the very last line before that blue section here, to apply for the economic injury disaster loan, click here. Now you have the application. It's not too complex. Have your tax forms ready. There are some questions you'll need to answer. And for most people, for average people, it's going to be one of the first two options. You're a business with less than 500 employees, so that's your corps, LLCs. Then you have individuals, that's sole proprietors or 1099 independent contractors. So let's say you work for yourself, you're a doctor, dentist, whatever. You get a 1099, you're individual perhaps. Or if you're operating under an LLC or S Corp, you might be the first section. Again, this is stuff you want to talk to your accountant with. Most people will be able to check off all of these. If you can't, you're not going to qualify. Not involved in illegal activity and all this other stuff. Just read it. You can't be a lobbyist. There's a few knockout questions, but let's assume you could answer yes to everything and you're applying as a business. I'll show you what the next page looks like. At the very end, you'll put your bank information, routing number, account number, and that's where your direct deposit will hopefully come if there's still funds left. You fill out your business name, your trade name if you're going under a different name or DBA, tax ID, EIN, social if you're a sole prop, organization type. You click on the drop down and it gives you all the options: LLC, sole proprietor, C, S Corp. You guys could read that on your own. Are you a nonprofit or a franchise? And then these are the two most important questions. They have a red asterisk. I personally did not fill out anything that doesn't have the red asterisk. I don't know how much time they have to even look at these applications. So I figured I'll just give them what's required. So you're going to want your gross revenues from your tax return and your cost of goods sold from your tax return. My CPA did also recommend putting the expenses in there just to have them in there. But I'm assuming they're going to want more information later anyway. And then if you scroll down, you have your address, pretty self-explanatory stuff. Then you click on the next page. I'm not gonna get to that, but once you fill that all out, just click next. It's going to ask you for the owner information. That's going to be your personal information. And then your social and all that stuff, bank information. Then you'll verify everything, click submit. And hopefully you'll get up to $10,000, and they will email you a confirmation. You will receive a control number and confirmation number. Again, this is a loan. It's the EIDL, but up to $10,000 is a grant, after which you can apply for PPP, or you could transfer this loan into PPP, which is forgivable if it's used for payroll. Speak to your accountant, your advisor, and good luck to everybody.